welcome to my humble homestead and gardenside chat. So today I am going to continue my DIY gift making ideas. So I'm going to just use some of these craft sticks to make some candles. And to prep these, I am going to soak them in some oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use some avocado oil, you can use some olive oil, but I just melted this coconut oil and I am just going to let these soak for anywhere from 1 to 12 hours. I'm going to let them soak here for like an hour and then flip them, maybe do another hour, and then I'm going to take them out and let them dry overnight. I might need a little bit of a longer bowl so I can get them all soaked. And then we will make those nice crackling wood burning candle wicks and make some candles. So see you after these are processed. Hi friends, welcome back to my DIY gift making frugal series. So what I have done is I had soaked these in the coconut oil for a few hours. Then I took them out and I let them dry. Now what I did is I took an old candle that I had and I am just melting down the wax that was left over in this candle. This is a honeysuckle candle. I had a little bit of wax in there and I am adding some beeswax to it here. So I will have enough wax to fill these jars. And what I'm doing is I'm just melting it about a minute at a time in the microwave. You can do it over a double boiler, but I'm using this old candle because once you use a container, it's not really going to be good to use. So I just keep adding beeswax and then I'm just melting it for about a minute. And then I'm mixing it up. And then what I thought I'll do, I'm going to cut these down. I'm going to glue them to the bottom here and cut it so it's straight across and hot glue them. So it'll be like a wood wick. And then I'm going to fill it up with the oil. I'm going to add some orange essential oil. So it'll be like a honeysuckle orange. I thought that would smell good. And then I'm going to pour the melted wax in here and make a candle. So I'm going to continue to melt this. When it's melted, I will show you the next step and we will make our homemade DIY candles. Now, if you don't have old candles, you can just get some either soy wax or some sort of wax on Amazon. I can link below and you could just melt it that way. But I had some old candles and I was just going to use up the wax that I had here and then just add the beeswax to it. So I will, after I get this melted, I will show you what I'm going to move on from then. See you soon. So here I try to glue, and then I am going to just put some orange. So it'll be a honeysuckle orange, and then I'm going to mix that. Here's one. I'm just going to let sit and dry. I may have to shorten that wick a little bit when it dries. And then I'm going to do this one here. Glue directly to the jar. I think this one might work better. There we go. So I added, I'm going to try to pour the wax in there. Let's see how it holds. All right, so there's 2 candles. Now I'm not sure if I have enough wax to do a big one or not. I'm gonna get another small one like this. So I have one more wick here. I am gonna lower it way down here. Get it in the center. These candles smell really good, you guys. Then I'm gonna pour the remaining wax in there. Perfect amount. And there we go. So now I'm just gonna let these 3 set up here. And then I'll probably just tie a little ribbon around there. And I will have 3 instant homemade candles that I really didn't spend any money on because I had the jars, I had the craft stick, I actually had the beeswax that I used for my lip gloss, and I recycled a candle. So simple as that. So I'm gonna let those dry up and then I'm gonna move on to another couple household items that are super easy to make. So we'll do another household gift item. So for this one, I'm going to make some DIY peppermint hand soap. I'm going to take my Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Castile soap. I took a recycled pump that has the foaming pump. I filled it up 3/4 of a way with water. And then I'm just going to put about 2 tablespoons of the Bronner's Peppermint soap in there. And then I am going to put the lid on it. I'm going to make a label for it. So it says peppermint. I might have had it a little bit too full here. Peppermint hand soap. And then I'm just going to mix it up. Now you can buy these hand pumps either at the Dollar Tree, you can find them on Amazon, but I literally just recycled this one. And I'm going to put a cute little label on it. I'm just making up a whole basket of stuff. So with a candle, this will be a nice peppermint. And then look here. Oops, let me open it up. Look at, we have peppermint foaming soap. And literally for pennies, what we would pay for the whole thing. So I'm going to put a cute little label on that, and I will show you that. Took literally less than a minute to do. You could do any scent you want. I just thought for the holidays that peppermint would be a great way to go. So I got the candles, I got the peppermint hand soap. I'll put a cute little label on there. I'll show you that. I could maybe put a little colored twine around it. And then let's do one more. Oh, one for the house I want to show you. So this one is a work in progress. So I'm making some orange all-purpose cleaner. So what I'm doing is I'm saving all my orange peels. As I showed you in my haul that I just had, I got some oranges, some clementines and oranges. So as I eat an orange, I'm just putting my peels in a jar in the fridge. And then as I do that, I'm going to fill this up with vinegar. And I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for about 2 weeks. It's going to turn a nice amber color. And then this I'm going to put into spray bottles, and I'm going to put a label on it as well as household cleaner or Hinkle's all-purpose cleaner, something. We'll just call it something. And it will be a spray for all-purpose cleaner. And it has the orange citrus will take away the orange citrus will take away the vinegar smell, and it will have the vinegar, so it'll cut all the grease and the dirt, and it'll be a perfect cleaner. So this is what I'm doing. So save all your orange peels. When you have enough, fill up a jar, pour some white vinegar in it, let it sit in the fridge for 1 to 2 weeks. And when this is done processing, I will show you this as well. So we have the candles here hardening. We have the hand soap I'm going to put a label on. And as I eat the oranges, I'm going to have these processing in the fridge. So these ones I will show you when they're done. All right. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be blessed. Have a great day. And coming soon, we will have many more DIYs for the holidays. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Like, share. Bye. Hi, friends. Thank you for watching. I am continuing my DIY gift series. And so right now I am just going to hodgepodge a label on this peppermint hand soap that I made. And we will have this labeled, and then I will show you the things that we made today together. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my hodgepodge here, and I have a sponge brush, and I'm going to put it on the back of this DIY printable label that I got here. So you can either write your labels on there. And this is the peppermint foam soap that I made with just 2 tablespoons of the Castile peppermint soap and water in a recycled foam hand dispenser. I also ordered a couple on Amazon because I thought I'll make a couple more of these for gifts. And then I'm literally just going to Mod Podge. Just going to Mod Podge right over the label. And then when this dries, I will show you what it looks like. Simple as that. That's it. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Be blessed. Bye.